This is Jamie with BarEye. In this video, we're going to show you what completing a count with BarEye Speed Count looks like and what output is available to you. BarEye Speed Count, as a reminder, is our stripped down product that simply provides a faster, more accurate way to do your bar inventory counts using barcodes, shelf-to-sheet mapping, and Bluetooth scales. So here we are at the end of a count. The nice thing is obviously we've recounted everything directly into the software, and the benefit here is that normally if you do this with a manual process, you then have to transfer your count, so you have to add up. If you've counted an item in a few different locations, you add up the total count and then enter it into a spreadsheet or software. By counting into software, all of that work is done behind the scenes automatically. So we come here to the final zone, we click finish, we do a zone count, click through a review screen, and then we click finalize count. We instantly can go over to the browser version and see a breakdown of what was counted. So we can see the total number of items that was counted as well as the breakdown in the categories, total count in each category of units. If you upgrade, this is not including BarEye Speed Count, but if you upgrade, you also will instantaneously get your inventory on hand value. By scrolling down, you can see a timeline showing how your product SKUs are evolving over time to make sure that we're not getting the typical sort of bloat and increase. We can just be conscious about how many products. Scrolling down further, you get every product detail, so you can see the count of every item. You can search and see the counts for a particular item by doing a search on a character string. If you need further details, you can go to the count audit report, and then it will show the breakdown of every single line by line what was counted. So for instance, here I'm looking at all flavors. If I decide I wish to just look at the ruby red, I could add that and it will filter down further. So once I've reviewed my count, I also can come to the integrations, and this allows me to export the count data into Excel and other formats such as Restaurant 365. So to do that, you simply click export, save the file, and instantaneously you'll have this Excel file that will break down an alphabetical list of everything that was counted. You can sort by category, subcategory, size, and then the aggregated count. Of course, these counts, a single item can have been counted in unlimited places. So like this Absolute Citron, they have maybe a case backed up. Then on the shelves, they might have a couple of bottles, and then they can have 3, 4, as many bottles as they like open behind the bar, and it will add all of that together for you. The benefit here is that then this data is available for analysis. I'm reminded that BarEye Speed Count is most focused for people that either want to just test some BarEye software and get in at our lowest price point to see if they find it helps and saves time. Also for people who want to do their own analysis but just want faster, more accurate counting using scales and barcodes. Or if those people are interested in using our Restaurant 365 integration, in addition to producing this Excel file, we can automatically produce a custom report, which is in a friendly to Restaurant 365 format. So after you complete the count, you export the data and then import it into Restaurant 365. And so the data is all in there as if you had counted it using your counting template in Restaurant 365. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to answer them or make a video for you specifically. Thank you.